Whenever I'm craving a one-pan noodle dish, I turn to yakisoba. These Japanese stir-fried noodles have a delicious sweet, tangy, and savory sauce. Yakisoba noodles are pre-cooked, which means you can toss them right into your pan without boiling. I just run them under hot tap water and break them up into strands. For prepping your veggies, just cut everything long and thin so they are similar to the shape of your noodles. I sometimes prefer red cabbage over Napa for the extra crunch and the color. Just stack up the leaves, roll them up tightly, and shred. I like to use baked or smoked tofu for extra firmness. You can also substitute extra firm fresh tofu. You can shred scallions the long way using the tip of a sharp knife and follow the vertical grooves of the scallions. For the sauce, mix the sugar, soy sauce, coconut aminos, Worcestershire sauce, hoisin sauce, and ketchup. I like to cook my mushrooms first to get them really golden. Then I add the shredded carrots, then the cabbage, then the tofu. I try to be gentle when stirring at this point to keep the tofu intact. Then our shredded scallions. And finally, the noodles and the sauce. Then carefully toss to coat everything with the sauce, and you're done. Oh, and one more thing. I love to garnish with furikake, a seasoning blend that's full of umami flavors. Quick, tasty comfort food and only one pan to wash.